Hello to the best audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a cake salad, and for that we need eggplant, we need pepper, we need cheese, garlic, tomato, mayonnaise. And for the beginning, let's start with the smallest thing that we can do, cutting down the garlic into very small pieces. And let's mix some of our ingredients together. Start with the garlic and mayonnaise. And let's add to these two ingredients also the cheese, which is already grated. You can use any type of cheese, let's say cheddar will be great, or anything else that you have at home. Mix these three ingredients together. And whenever done, let's say we'll start with the main process of putting the eggplants into the comfortable plate, and then we'll add the pepper. Let me remind that both the peppers and the eggplants are beforehand fried, and let's put some salt and red pepper onto the top of those two ingredients. And whenever done, let's add cut down tomatoes onto the top of the peppers. Make sure that they are covered with that. And then let's add the mixture that we have just prepared with the mayonnaise, cheese, and garlic. Let's cover it up all. And whenever ready, we'll go to the second part, which is again repeating the same things, covering it up again with the eggplant, and then adding again the pepper, like as you see in the video, now it's again the turn for salt and the tomatoes. And the mixture again of the cheese and mayonnaise. Cover it up again, and whenever you are ready, we will put eggplant again onto the top of it. Let me remind that after that you can't still eat it. You have to put it into the refrigerator for overnight. And then only you will be able to put it into the plate and serve it for friends and family. Cut it down into some pieces, and we are sure you will like it. If you liked it, share it with your friends, and good appetite!